up, guys? So we're back with another video, but today we'll be doing what's in our mouth challenge. So we went around the house and we picked up some stuff without each other knowing. We have our bags. Show your bag. Right. So we'll be doing it with a blindfold and right. Let's see who wins. I know I'm definitely going to win. I don't know about him.
Where your money there? Put in your money now.
Put your money where I'm out there.
Yeah,
I'm definitely gonna win.
Yeah, that win.
So let's see. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You want to play rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Right.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Right.
So which me know that win?
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You cut.
So me
You
feel.
can't cut rock, so
What me feel?
me win. Hmm?
Oh, so you win. So me if you do it.
Yeah, let me give you first.
Hey.
You're gonna put your blindfold on, Dwight, please, and thank you. Why have this something so far away?
Eh?
Why have this something so far away?
Alright.
Yeah.
Because I don't want them close to you because your eye ain't good enough. I don't trust you. You ready?
Come here. We can't ready yet. Because I know you're cheap. I know you know.
Alright, make sure you say that give me nothing taste bad enough.
They're all nice stuff. Trust me.
Make sure you don't give me nothing taste bad.
I'm sure you're not saying nothing through that.
Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, man. Go away. You're glad to get it to you.
Alright, now put on. Me not have to taste. Let me get my rag. Because me not have to taste it.
Oh, you know so the rag the right there, so. Man, you know.
No, me know say rag there, so me just step over here, just put me hand over here, so. If me want, me can spit it out though.
Yeah, you're supposed to. Watch out. Let me have something. Me not have nothing to spit out. If you want to spit out,
You start sweat already, it me hot. Tell me when you're ready.
Of course, open up. Don't smell. Open the mouth. You need to guess it.
Ah! Vaseline!
Right, thief.
I Vaseline done.
Oh, you don't say that.
Them that taste terrible.
I smell it. I smell it.
I taste it one.
In teeth. One teeth.
Take off this now.
Yes. So, guys.
That's horrible.
Oh, what is something showing? That's why I didn't brush it out of the bag.
Oh.
We can't tell you what. Just see how I get it.
Alright.
Sure. Yes, so it's my turn now.
Yeah, blindfold on.
I'm ready. I guess. Yeah, I'm ready. Don't look in my back. Jeez.
Me not looking in your back. Oh, you know, so me get up.
Me don't know. They just want some bag open.
Oh, you're nasty.
Me nasty.
You're nasty.
Yeah, people here say me nasty. Me nasty. Dwight.
Yeah?
Where you gone? Oh, I'm gonna show, I guess.
Yeah.
Many time with me now.
No, man, me not hear nothing bad, man.
As me not trust you, no.
Me not hear nothing bad. No worry yourself, man. Me carry you to hospital.
But you can't kill off your wife anyway.
Me carry you to hospital, man. No worry.
I'm scared. Trust me, people.
See, if you stop your breath, you know.
You never stop your breath. You know.
Ready?
Yeah.
Open. Open.
That smell off.
Open. Open your mouth. Oh, no, that's not open. That's not open.
Me pray.
That's not open.
Me not trust
Open.
you.
Alright,
But
open.
make sure it's not poisonous.
Okay.
Please, make sure. Barbecue sauce.
Sure, I get it.
Barbecue sauce.
And I want to say me go win and I will lose it.
No, I was going to give you that. And I said, no, I'm going to get that.
Oh, chasing me take out the back like you know.
I went to the kitchen before you.
Alright, yeah, you win.
I'm going to do
Barbecue
that.
sauce.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to say, you know what? No, I'm going to know that. Because
You
he's
win.
greedy. He loves yam.
Alright, you win.
So I must know that. Yeah. I can't believe one of mine throw away.
So 1-1, right?
I don't get that yet. No?
Yes. Remember me get Vaseline and you get barbecue.
I want it.
Then me know win Vaseline.
Oh yeah.
You know you would remember say me win. Jeez. Okay, so me have to check it good now.
Let me let's see, what should I try now? Let's give him something easy. You want something easy?
Yes.
After that taste bad Vaseline, let me give you something nice. Nice.
Tell me when to open my mouth.
But not ready yet.
I want to win. I have to win this now.
You know how win this do I?
I have to win this. Wait, so how much you have? 6? I may have 6.
I had 7, you know.
No, but I suppose it's 6.
No, Mr. I never have 7 because one of mine showing your back. Ready? Open. Shut and close the nose. Don't smell. Open your mouth. I told you it was going to be something nice. Just open your mouth now, baby.
This tastes like... What I remember say we have none in the house? Milo.
Dwight.
It tastes like Milo, but I don't remember we have no Milo in the house. A Milo. A Milo.
Oh, you remember Milo? You're supposed to eat this for your pitney.
I mean, who can forget Milo?
You never see this, so I hype me this bad just for the challenge.
Then I don't remember Smile in that house.
I did not try. That's not fair.
Oh, what? Why not fair? I don't remember Smile, but I remember Milo, but it is not because we couldn't buy it, but we could have get it.
No, for your pitney, me say.
Yeah, then I say.
You better get beginner, you really. It's your turn now.
So now you can cover your eye.
I had my bag. I can't believe this.
So, 2, 1. I forget this now. I forget this one. So me gone 2, me win 2 and you win 1, right?
Because I just ran out there, but like you lead me. You rub it in. Hello, go easy on me now.
Yeah, of course not go easy for you.
So and so.
Ready?
Yep.
Open. Open. Open your mouth wide now.
You never open yours.
Alright, I open my mouth wide after
Yeah, that's if you do.
Open your mouth wide. Open wide.
No.
Open wide.
I'm a tongue taster now.
Open.
Come, put it on my tongue.
No, open.
Dwight. You're wasting time, you know. Apple cider vinegar. But you can't give me soda. What you do? Right? Yeah, mommy, no. No, you couldn't do that.
Why? It's alright?
It's nice, but it's ash. Ash.
Alright? So 2,
You're now
2.
with me, though?
You're now with me,
You're now with me, Dwight. You're now with me.
2, 2.
2, 2.
So like how you know.
She's the man.
Like how you know what your mouth wide, me not open my mouth wide, though.
No smelling. This one I want to cover your nose. You hear me? I will tell you when. Cover your nose. So there's something showing on my bag, see, man. Cover your nose, please.
Oh yeah, I can't give it up, it tastes too bad, though.
I'm not ready yet. Just want to take time, because I don't want to mess up the place.
The mouth starts to run water already.
Wow, mouth watering.
Hold on, I cover my mouth.
You know.
Open? Johnson baby aisle.
Don't do it. No. No, you better stop this game. Because it's not making no sense.
I don't want to fill up my water it too.
You have to keep going too damn greedy. Does it taste it?
Taste it. That's horrible.
Man?
That's horrible.
I eat.
Oh yeah, they try to kill me.
No.
They want to make me sweat. So we have to do that though.
I just want a little bit of taste of it. And it can kill me.
So that's a 3-3.
3-2.
Who gone 2?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Yeah.
You have to give me now.
So me gone. Me.
You gone 2. And me gone 3. And you forgive me now. Set about that's all.
Alright.
My God.
Ready?
I guess so.
We should stop already now.
No, man.
Nah, get. Oh yes. Now get this. Should not get that one now. Should not get this. Should not get this. If you get this, me give up.
You give up?
Yes. If you get this, me give up. I quit. Ready? Ah?
Me nah cause you know
Ah?
Me don't know what it's
If you get this, me give up.
the tonic where you buy.
Sure.
Bigger ton. The tonic where you buy. You could have never come with tonic with me. Every tonic tastes like iron. Most of them taste like iron. So that's why I know. Ooh. And in the mouth tastes bad. I'll take for this and that. Jesus.
So that's how much? 3-3.
3-3. Come, blindfold.
If you did say 3-2 a while ago, I'm not believe you. You know? So 3-3. You think that time making that mouth taste good now from the Johnson aisle. Gosh, that's the worst tasting. You think the Vaseline taste bad?
Me not care, me not trust you.
Alright, sit there.
Come turn around for the people and see you. Turn back to the camera.
Tell me when.
Tell me when. Ready?
My mouth tastes bad already now. Do not bother mash it up more.
Come, so this will neutralize everything. Come. Open your mouth now. Open. Right, open the mouth. Don't want you know what.
This a burn me. Ah! That burn me. Me want to win this now. You mix it?
No, it's not anything mixed. Shit, that's what this tastes bad.
Jesus, that burn me so.
It a keep me tongue. So it's only little bit it a keep me tongue.
You know what I'm saying? Me I go guess. My God.
See if you know, see me a winner now.
I guess me I go guess you know.
So me get the winners now. That's horrible.
Are you Ocean?
One. Should I give me another guess? Should I? No, me not gonna guess. You lose. One guess.
Oh.
Hand sanitizer.
God,
It's already. Jesus. I can't imagine the hand sanitizer that tastes horrible. So my tongue burn me.
That's horrible. That tastes worse than it.
Me don't like this. Yeah. Man.
A price you try price me.
Hand sanitizer people.
So hold on there. So you gone
1, 2, 3, 4. And you gone 3.
So we're at 3-3 now.
No, 4.
4-3.
You don't guess this one. You guess this one out.
Alright, go on now.
if I get one second chance, you just say hand sanitizer?
Never.
No.
All if you give me third, fourth, fifth, sixth,
I tell you,
seventh.
man, I never imagine that sign with that tears. No. You think about it like alcohol?
That's horrible.
Man.
That tastes like the Johnson baby oil and the Vaseline mixed together. Alright, your turn now.
Where am I come with? Something nice?
Yes.
Please be nice to me, although I'm winning you. Come. Ready. I have to win this because if I don't win this, it'll be. I have to win this. I have to win this.
Ready?
I'm going to wash out.
You ready?
Let me get the wrong piece away again. Ready? Magnum tonic wine. Am I right? Dwight, don't tell me the lie.
You win. You win.
You better mix up something. Can you mix something? Me Munu can't tell. You don't say you can't beat me.
You win.
You can't beat me.
When me have in a bag left, me know say I gonna know them.
And when we have a bag left,
You know
me
me.
don't think you're gonna know them.
Alright, come, let's roll.
How much more? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rich!
So 2 more.
Tell me now.
This one you'll have to chew. Okay?
Tell me to open.
Don't worry yourself, man. You'll have what now? Chew it.
I want pill.
Chew it. No, it's not a pill.
I want pill. A pill.
Which pill?
Horrible too.
Which pill? Which pill?
Hmm?
Which pill?
A pill.
Yeah, but which pill?
When you
Be specific.
cod liver oil, cod liver oil.
One more guess.
Cod liver oil.
You know, so we have a cod liver oil. Are you buy the fish oil here come give me?
Then I make a fish oil.
No, gee, you say cod liver oil.
No, a fish me mean. A fish.
No, me say, I'll give you one more guess.
A fish me there. No win.
You know we not fish oil. Oh, teeth. You get half mark for that. Horribly?
God. Alright. So
Alright, I'm gonna give him that one. Since in guess. Codfish oil.
I same thing.
Cod liver oil and fish oil are almost the same.
Alright, so we win.
Almost.
So we there.
So let's give him that. 2
So
more
we there,
serve
5.
people.
So me get 5 and you got 5 and you got 4.
Me, yes, me gets all of those 4.
And me win.
So my one them order. Come make your turn again. How much do we on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 more.
No, a 4 me go.
Eh?
This
Yes, so
is
you're gonna make your 5. Yeah.
Alright.
So make your 5.
Close the eyes. Close the eyes. Give me your hands.
Do I just see them bag a while ago?
No.
So yes, I have to hold it like, you know, when I'm coming live. Ready? Me not trust him now.
Me not trust phone. Me no own. Me no like it.
Ready?
Ready? Open.
Lord have mercy.
Can't get this. Me win this. You can't get this. Can't get this. You give up? Say give up.
You mix 2 stuff.
Say give up.
No.
Say
Is
give
it a
up.
mixture?
It is not. It is not.
Me can't
It's
swallow it by
not.
the way.
It's not a mixture.
Is it something I can swallow?
Yes, you can.
Let me taste it again.
No.
Yes! Because me never take it now.
You're greedy.
Me never take it.
Alright, come. Since you want more.
What the hell that man? It tastes horrible, this one. Check out.
Since you want more, take more. You want more? Come. Since you're greedy, come. Me can't believe you can't get this. You use this every single day. Every
horrible.
day. You give up?
No.
Give up. Give up. No, you have to give up. Time run out by you.
I smell me a taste.
Then give up. Your time run out by you. You want more?
Kitchen or bedroom?
That will hold for your idea. More kitchen or bedroom. More kitchen. That will never happen. In the house. In the house.
When I say inside. It tastes bad. Wait a minute, I go through the kitchen.
But you make time run out, Pawi.
And nothing in the fridge because it's not cold. Just pick up the stuff then.
You can't get this. So me there 5. Me there 5.
Why?
You have to give up.
And I know vinegar. I don't know.
You give up?
Yeah, what is it?
Browning. And guess what?
Brownie taste up?
Me there go say to you, you know. Are you?
That's a different camp. That's a brownie taste.
So how much me there?
I think brownie the more taste like burnt sugar. Taste horrible, see?
Yeah.
Don't I really to put them in my mouth? Remember swallow it?
No, can't eat. You're not going to get belly. So how much? Me there 5 and you there 4.
No. I must tie now. Remember I was leading because we do the lose one and now me lose one so I tie again.
Alright, come.
So 4.
Which 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But me guess all of them here. And me get that wrong. You get this wrong. Wow! The oil.
Okay, so 4, yeah. So this is the last one, yeah?
I'm coming up one good man.
This is the last one.
Never know that so. You never imagine, you never shake it up.
Eh?
You never shake it up because the
Of course you
water
shake it up.
bad.
And you know, me a fret, you know. Me a fret. The reason why me a fret is because the one me a believe, me know say I'll get that one there.
Actually, you just me blindfold myself.
You want me to give up my one?
No. It's my turn, you don't cheat.
Me worry because the one me a believe, me know say I'll get it.
Sure. Burn me soon. I think I'll get that one and you know.
You feel so? So why you dig down so long?
Oh, you know something I
And
dig?
it's supposed to be the last
Wait,
one.
you know something I dig?
Because you don't come here and you know something. Me here you dig around there.
You know hear me I dig? I see
Me here you dig. Me
Come,
here you
baby.
dig.
Come, my honey. Come now. Come to me.
Come.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
You really give me baking soda? I'm baking soda?
Me nah play.
Baking soda, remember now? Baking soda, go to brush teeth now.
Yeah?
Okay, so I know baking soda.
Baking soda, toothpaste now.
Lock up. Lock up, 5-5.
A 5-4. You going 5, me going 4.
You got 5, yeah? Shut up your eyes then.
That not fair. I mean, I'll give the other one, you know. Come here, one more something in my bag. Should I give the other one?
Whoa!
Come.
Let me a spoon.
I don't know why they.
My spoon.
Just wipe it off the rug. This is like me go lose people. Can you imagine? What that? Can I buckle that? May I lick that smell up?
Alright, come. Me now I'll kill her, yeah? I'll take that with you. Ready? Open.
Me want me to get browning. That one that really beat me.
Open.
I thought me to get no nice.
You don't get nothing? Okay. Yes, sir, you say that. Kill me now, kill me. Open.
I know this.
Open.
Something used on me here. Do I?
Yes?
You give me a dose of my own medicine. Eh?
Nope.
on my hair.
Shang wang wang.
I didn't see a baby oil. Am I right?
Yes.
I do some of my own medicine. You're too wicked.
So we do it tie?
Hmm?
You have one left in your bag though?
Yeah, but you have 7. You have 6. You do your 6 already. I'm doing 6 already.
No.
You have an extra.
Alright, go do the extra one.
You don't get it. You don't get it.
Shang wang wang.
Thank God I never take no baby oil.
Taste bad though.
Man.
Alright, come.
You put the brown in the raggy. Yeah.
Brown in. Ready?
Yeah, let me wipe off the whole of the baking soda. Oh my God! You can't show the people that is something. The baking soda wipe off everything off of them. Open. Open your mouth. Where I smell.
Jesus, please. You know, say, this not taste right. No, me
So you know, say me I come near to you. Do
me
I
have,
say
me have the
you
taste. Me have the taste. But this guy alright. What on? Molasses.
Wrong. No more guess. Wrong.
Our.
Caramel syrup. Ah.
What that?
The caramel syrup. You know about the caramel syrup?
I mean, I say molasses, but I say, but me have the molasses, so give me molasses.
If you didn't give me that, I'm going to get that. Because that molasses.
Then I say, me have the last one, I even know, see how that get it.
So it tastes right. Yeah, I think it's molasses still. Not tastes right. I know molasses. Hershey syrup. Caramel syrup. Sweet.
So, that's a 5-5. That's a 5-5. Not 5-5, 6-5, you win. You win, but
I have lotion too. I'm going to take out lotion.
I'm going to take out the lotion, you know. So, guys, there you have it.
Right.
Me win.
What's normal? Oh, you for win. Oh, you win. You lost. I am the winner. So, guys,
Well, next one
that's it for today. Next one we'll be doing whisper challenge. You want to do whisper challenge? You know, said that a while ago. Peace out.
Alright.
Peace out.
TV sign off, 12 o'clock now.